So today I'll be showing you how to make an il flottant or the floating island. First of all, you have to add 750 milliliters of milk into a pot, scrape a vanilla stick and add it to the milk. For the isle you need 4 egg whites, which you need to mix along with 1 teaspoon of corn starch and 50 grams of sugar. This is how the final composition should look like. You strain the milk and leave it to cool down a bit. In a bowl we add 4 egg yolks, 100 grams of sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix thoroughly to combine. Temper the mixture with some milk, but don't add too much because we don't want the yolks to cook. We are making crème anglaise, not scrambled eggs. And then slowly add in the rest of the milk. Put it back in a clean pot and keep it on heat until it coats the back of the spoon. Take it off the heat and cover it with some plastic wrap. Now it's time to do some quenelles. Take 2 spoons and try to replicate what I'm doing. When you are satisfied with how they look, put them on a plate, add some water, and they go in the microwave for 30 seconds. For the garnish, we will coat the back of 2 bowls with some oil and drizzle some caramelized sugar over it with a crossing pattern. If the caramel gets too hard, you can always reheat it and continue. After 1 minute, it should be set and it should come right off with no effort. For the plating, put some crème anglaise into a bowl. Add the quenelles into the bowl. Add the caramel cage. Sprinkle some coated peanuts over to add more texture to the dish. Add some mint for the presentation, et voila!